I want you to be as successful as possible, and you need to understand that success isn't the thing that just happens from day to night. It starts with the little things, the daily habits that compound over time to make you or build you into the man that you need to be. Today, boys, I'm gonna give you 7 daily habits every man should start doing this year. Starting by taking control of your day. Most of you will never achieve success because honestly, life controls you, you don't control life. And you know this because it all starts in the morning, right? When the alarm rings, are you telling your body to wake up, or is your body or life telling you to keep sleeping because you're tired? When you do finally wake up, do you actually make your bed? Do you actually get dressed the way you would like to get dressed? Do you go through your grooming routine? Do you actually shower? Do you end up actually going to the gym? These are all things you want to do because you know they're good, but do you actually do them? No, you allow life to control you. So to start doing this, start in the morning. Take control of your morning. And I'm not telling you to do all of it all at once because you'll fail. Start easy, right? So for example, waking up. If you tell yourself, I'm waking up at 7 in the morning, I don't care what you think, feel, it could be balls cold outside, you get your ass up at 7 in the morning and start programming your brain to allow yourself to take control of your own body and mind and do exactly what you set yourself to do. Number 2, take control of your health. See, this is equally as important because you need to understand that your body and your mind are the vessel that are going to lead you to success. They're the vessel that are going to take you wherever you want to go in life. If you take care of it, it's going to take care of you. And most of you are eating garbage, are treating it like garbage. So how do you expect to have the energy, the stamina, the creativity to actually perform at your peak? You need to take control of your health. And again, I'm going to make it easy for you. This year, take control of what you're consuming and add a multivitamin to your day. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. For you to have a balanced diet, it's going to be difficult. You're going to have to do a lot of tracking, a lot of nutritional. You need to learn a lot of stuff. You probably won't have the time or will quit really quickly once you start. But the one thing you won't quit is taking a simple multivitamin. And our sponsor, Ritual, makes it easier than ever because with Ritual, it gets delivered to your door. So you don't even have to go to the store and get it. They deliver it to your door right when you need it. So you never will break that cycle if you start it today with our sponsor, Ritual. And I'm telling you right now, when you're looking for multivitamins or supplements to take, Ritual is probably the best way to go. Look at the reviews online. The best thing about them is the traceability. No other multivitamin. Go on Amazon right now, find any multivitamin. It'll be extremely difficult for you to see where all the ingredients are coming from. With Ritual, super traceable. Go online right now, go to Ritual. You will see every single ingredient, all the nutrients that each capsule has. On top of that, you'll see exactly where they're sourcing each nutrient so you know and can have confidence you're consuming the best ingredients in the world to actually nourish your body. Now, what I also love about Ritual is their capsule. See, their capsule has like a light minty taste, so every time you take it, it's almost like a fresh breath feeling and you don't get any weird aftertaste. On top of it, it has delayed release technology to allow the vitamins and nutrients to release later down your digestive tract so you can absorb more of that, or your body can absorb more of that, which is just a positive. Again, Ritual probably top of the line when it comes to multivitamins. And if you want a daily habit that's simple, that's going to compound tenfold during your lifetime, this is the one to start. If you guys want to check out Ritual, they're going to be linked down below. And here's the best part. To really start the year off right, you're going to get 30% off your first month's order, which is an absolute steal and the best way to start. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, I need you to start making sacrifices. Hanging out with friends. Sacrifice the weekends. Hanging out with family time. Sacrifice getting high all the time. Sacrifice getting drunk. I want you to sit down and think about 2020. All right, how many times did you go out with friends? How many weekends did you get blackout drunk? How many times did you get high? Out of those hundreds of hours, how many can you actually recall? A handful. I would say maybe 5 events at most, right? Yet you spent maybe 100, 200 hours of your year wasted on these events. What if you sacrificed them for 2023 and you use that to build something of value? Yes, you won't remember every single individual hour that you were at home working while they were partying, but what you will remember, what you will understand is that a year from now, when that compounds, and maybe you do it 2 years or 5 years in the future, when that starts compounding and you look back and see how far you've grown, how much your bank account has grown, or how much your knowledge has grown, you will remember that. That's something that's actually tangible that you've built and nobody can take away. That takes me to number 4. I need you to be good with your money. I need you to start reducing expenses and increasing profits. There you go. You're welcome. I just gave you an MBA. I saved you 4 years from having to go to school. This is literally the foundation of business. You will lower expenses, increase profits. And the problem with most of you is that you don't see your personal finances like a business. See, even if you have $100 in your bank account, you should operate like a business. All right, where can I cut down my expenses? How can I double or increase my profits? What other revenue sources can I create? Everything else stems out of that. Once you adopt that mentality, you will become good with your money. Number 5, you should know how to fight. Because not only is it great for your physical health, it's also great for your mental health. You build this mental fortitude. You walk around with a certain confidence, but more importantly, you have total self-control. See, when you fight or pick up a fight and you realize how much it hurts to get hit, or how dangerous it can be, or how much it sucks to get pinned down, the last thing you're gonna wanna do is do that in the street. And even though you might be a capable fighter, you still will have self-control and you will learn how to diffuse situations so you avoid getting yourself into a mess. Number 6, start ignoring emotions. I'm gonna challenge you. For 2023, I wanna challenge you. Next time you have a problem, I don't care how bad it is. Your bank account's at 0. You caught your girlfriend cheating with your best friend. I don't care how bad it is, right? Ignore your emotions. They're gonna suck. They're gonna be very real, right? You're gonna wanna cry, you're gonna wanna kick, scream, whatever. I don't care how you're gonna react. You're gonna get very emotional. You're gonna wanna kick his ass, you're gonna wanna scream at her, whatever. That's what you're gonna want to do. I want you to suppress that. They're very real. I'm not telling you that they're not real, but instead of getting emotional, I'm gonna challenge you. I'm gonna tell you to ignore your emotions and develop a logical plan. All right, so become unbiased, an unbiased third party. And it's very difficult to do when you're part of the problem. But let's say you got your girl cheating on you. What happened, right? Why did she choose him over you? What did you do wrong as a man? Did you not have the mental clarity and pick the wrong girl? Were you not man enough and weren't satisfying her, so she went and looked for somebody else? Were you just annoying? Were you just like a puppy? Did you not have passion? It could have been a myriad of reasons. Maybe she's just a whore. Who knows, right? But really analyze the situation and then develop a plan. Let's say it's the option that you weren't man enough. Right? You weren't man enough, or maybe you didn't have the mental clarity. You didn't know how to choose women. So your next option is, all right, how do I become that man, that guy that nobody would reject, that every woman wants? Because I'm telling you, it's a standard, right? You become top 1% in all aspects of your life, charisma, fitness, money, every girl will like you. But let's say you developed that plan. You forgot about the pain, or instead used that pain to fuel you to become that man, right? Now you're going to become a man with options. Do you really think that a man with options, once you get to start trying different personalities, you get to see different women, you're going to fall for the same mistake again? Hell no. Do you really think that a girl's going to ever cheat on you knowing that there's nobody else that she can replace you with? Of course not. This is why I'm telling you, I need you to suppress your emotions and become logical whenever you have a situation or a problem you face. Because the difference is, the guy that becomes emotional, he will kick and scream for 3 years and he'll never move. You, if you put a logical plan in place, 3 to 5 years from now, you'll be a different man. You have solved your problem. Finally, number 7, I need you to become absent. You shouldn't be readily available all the time, especially to women. See, people only miss what they don't have. If you don't have it with you at all times, you're going to start to miss it. You're going to start wanting it. There is a want and absence. This is why you and your availability for 2023 should be minimized. You should bring some of that time to yourself so you can build yourself up. So next time somebody says, hey, are you free? No, sorry, right? And keep working on yourself. Keep building yourself up. Try this for 2023. I want you to come back in 2024. If you've done everything to the T, tell me if I was wrong.